Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how I installed this closure wig on myself. So I started off with this closure wig that's a frontal in the front and it has tracks in the back. I already bleached the knots and it's already parted in the center because I've worn it before. But I'm basically just going to start off by parting my hair in the center so that the part on the wig and my natural hair match. I'm using a little bit of edge control to keep all my flyaways away and just make it a little bit more slick. So now that I have my part together, I'm just going to split my hair in two. I'm going to create two braids, braiding them down and putting a rubber band at the bottom. This is going to help my hair lay a little flatter while it's underneath the wig. For those of you guys who have more hair, you might need to create more than two braids. Now I'm going to take the two braids and I'm going to just wrap them around in the back of my head so that they lay really flat. I'm using bobby pins to pin them down. This doesn't have to be perfect, but just, pin it so that it will tuck nicely underneath the wig. You can use a wig cap if you like. I personally didn't have one, so I didn't use one. And it doesn't really matter if your part is going to match the part on the wig. So now I put the wig on and I am matching my part up. I'm using my rat tail comb to make sure that the parts meet. I'm literally just putting the closure wig right behind my hairline. Now I'm gonna brush and style it. I decided to do it straight with a little bump at the end. I think this is a super cute look for a bob. So I'm taking small sections and flat ironing down towards my face. That way I have no flyaways. And when you flat iron super close, like to your face or in the direction that the hair is supposed to lay, you'll notice that the hair looks a lot straighter. I'm just gonna step away from the camera and finish styling. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I'm going to continue making this part look better. I actually ended up tightening the wig a little bit more because it was not really laying as flat as I'd like. Now I'm going to take a little bit of foundation powder and place that right in the center just to give it a little bit more of a natural look, hiding more of the knots and making the part blend close to mine. I'm going to add a little bit of hairspray as my finishing touches, and voila! That's how I installed my closure wig at home. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.